And my mom is an extremist. She has my cousin looking under her hood because there's a group of men across the street, and she's trying to get the attention of this one guy. What's his name, Mama? Red Bull. No, what's his name?
What they say, Jazz?
What's his name, Mama? Mama, what's his name?
Don't be saying his name.
Oh, nobody ain't gonna know who he is. Well, we're gonna call him Red Bull. He's a red nigga. I never got down with them red skin niggas. Give me a chocolate nigga any day. But this nigga is red. Look, this is serious, y'all. My cousin is under her hood. Look. She's under the hood of her car. My mom is sitting here laughing. Hi. Say hi again, Mom.
Hi. What's wrong, Jazz? You can't make it. You can't.
It's the margaritas. We just come from happy hour, and way too much. Look, here come the helpers. They're the helpers. The elderly. They elderly, y'all. They elderly. We getting a senior citizen. We getting a senior citizen discount right now. Oh my gosh.